Once again, I had to stick my needles at the very tip. So, all right, now then, what I'm going to do, I'm going to come down just a bit, down that center stud, and I'm going to push my needle back up. The same place where I started. Now then, this is where I'm going to start doing then I'm going to go from there to just right below the stitch from one side, and then I'm going to do it again from the other. With the outer stitch, and move inside to the inner stitch. Come from one side, going down, going back on that side again, going down, going down,